Ashley's here, Liz is here, D.R. Barton's in New York, and so too is Todd Horowitz. Now, my main point today, looking at this downside market, is that the Federal Reserve has run out of options. In fact, central bankers around the world have played all their cards, and we still have no growth. D.R., to you first. Where am I going wrong?
I think you're right about no growth. I think the Fed has shot all their bullets, but what it's done is given us a stagnation, not stagflation, not to be confused. It's given us a market that has been buoyed, and has not gotten any growth, so it can't go any higher, and they're keeping it from going any lower for the short time being. So I think you're spot on.
All right. I don't like the look of this, Todd. I mean, I really don't. The Fed says, no, we're not going to raise rates, and the market goes down again.
The Fed is clueless. They've lost their mind. They have no cards to play, except they could go lower, which is why you're seeing such a spike in gold right now. There is in play is more QE, more quantitative easing, or even negative rates, because now the dollar is spiking.
You think that?
I think that's where they're going to go next. I think they are so totally lost in this whole picture that they have totally destroyed everything because they're in the library, not in the real business world.
It is striking that Fed Chairman Janet Yellen now all of a sudden is advising tax cuts, meaning helicopter money. Wow! After what, 7, 8 years of this, you're saying maybe we should have been doing tax cuts.
$4 trillion.
Shows how clueless they are to
but wait a minute, I've got to discuss this.
Yeah.
You really think that America's Federal Reserve will go to negative interest rates where you pay the bank?
We already have a former Fed president in Minneapolis.
For the first time ever. For the first time ever, the Bund went to negative. The 10-year German Bund went negative this year. Another huge economy that we never thought would happen.
See that banner across the bottom of the screen? The Fed is powerless. You would say it's clueless. I think central bankers around the world have lost control. More than that.
I think they're in collusion.
Collusion?
All of them together. I do. I think they're together. I think they're working it together. Look at what's going on in Japan right now. All of a sudden, their currency became worth a zillion. Everybody else's currency went down. Now we got the dollar. All of a sudden, out of nowhere, the dollar should not be rallying today.
Well, even if they're working in collusion, it's not working. We know
it doesn't work. Haven't they figured out it hasn't worked? It never worked. Japan's been in it for 30 years.
Look at